बताओ। मालविका बताओ।
वन, फल, जल, भवन, कमल, शहद।
Shahad, very good. You studied these 6 words. Fabina, बताओ. Fabina, say the words. Completed. Did all write and study that? Fabina, unmute and say Fabina Hafsal. Which all word we completed in the last class? बताओ, पढ़ो. Read.
जल, फल,
फॉरेस्ट का हिंदी वर्ड क्या है? जल, फल. फॉरेस्ट पढ़ा हमने. फॉरेस्ट का हिंदी वर्ड क्या है?
मन,
Man. Wow. Man means another meaning. One. Which word we learn? One. House. क्या है house हिंदी वर्ड?
हम समन्वय will tell.
समन्वय tell.
भवन,
भवन. और next word. Lotus का word क्या है? Lotus.
lotus means kamal.
Kamal. Then lotus after which word we learn? Honey. Honey. क्या है honey हिंदी वर्ड?
शहद.
Yeah, very good. So we learned these all words. Now Anton Sminto, can you read these all words? Anton, read.
One, jal, फल,
Fal.
भवन,
Bhavan. Okay, Bhavan.
honey,
Honey का
शहद,
Shahad honey. Lotus.
कमल, lotus.
Kamal. Yeah. The 6 word we learn. Okay, Kamal. Bhavan. Say. Read.
Okay.
Who? Ansel. Read.
One meaning forest.
Forest.
Jal meaning water. Fal meaning fruits. Shahad meaning honey.
Honey.
Bhavan meaning house.
Bhavan.
Kamal meaning lotus.
Yeah, very good. So everybody studied its spelling. Hindi कैसे लिखेंगे? Kamal, Van, Jal, Bhavan and all. All studied. Yeah. Are you ready? I will take a small dictation. Can you take your rough book, a new page? All take your rough book. Can we write?
Then I take notebook.
And rough book, one new page. Take rough books, one new page. Okay. Are you ready? Yes. Listen, children. Don't open your notebook. Which word I am writing on the board, you have to write its Hindi word. Okay. I will write.
rough book.
Rough book mein likho, rough book. I will write only English word. Okay. You should write the spelling. That Hindi spelling. First one. Okay. First one. The word forest. इसका हिंदी शब्द लिखो. You have to write its Hindi word. Hindi.
We write question.
No need. Only write the Hindi word. Okay. Read the question from the board.
Okay, ma'am.
क्या है forest? Write there one. What is the word for forest? Right. The spelling, correct spelling.
Ma'am, finished.
Finish. The second word, last day we learned house. What is the word for house? Try to write house. This is a practice. Okay. When I will take class test, I will give this kind of question. So you have to do practice. Okay. House का हिंदी word कैसे लिखेंगे? House. Spelling. First you think. What is the word for house? And remember the spelling. Try. Okay. Try karo. The next word. What is the word for fruit? Fruit. You can check you studied or not. Otherwise, you if you are not getting also, no problem. Try to remember the word, okay? F-R-U-I-T, fruit. What is the word fruit? One more question, only 4 questions. The next one, write the word lotus. Iska Hindi shabd. Write the Hindi word of lotus. Finish. Only 4 questions I am giving now. Next class, I will take the other words. Forest का हिंदी वर्ड लिखो, हाउस का हिंदी वर्ड लिखो, फ्रूट का हिंदी वर्ड लिखो, लोटस हिंदी वर्ड क्या है लिखो. Completed? Able से जो completed?
Completed, ma'am.
Very good. Diya completed?
Ma'am, yes, is completed.
Yeah, very good. Anybody is there for completing? Ashif not completed. Complete it. Complete it. Daksha completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I hope everybody completed. Can we discuss the answer?
Yes.
Okay. Now, देवर्ष बताओ. Forest का हिंदी वर्ड क्या है? Forest का हिंदी वर्ड क्या है? Forest का हिंदी वर्ड?
One.
तो स्पेलिंग क्या है? पहला अक्षर क्या है?
N.
Next letter. Next letter.
N.
No. One. Okay, very good. Now everybody should check your answer. Is it correct or not? If it is correct, you can give a tick mark. Okay. One. क्या है? One forest. Now Anna Brinson, why your camera is off? Sahasra. Say what is the word for house? Sahasra.
Correct.
Sahasra.
Yes, ma'am.
Please, everybody should on your camera. Sahasra batao, what is the word for house?
Bhavan.
Bhavan. Spelling. First letter क्या है?
Ba.
Next क्या है?
Wa.
Wa. और?
Na.
Na. Very good. Bha, va और na जोड़ने से मिला bhavan. Okay. Now, next. Shivanedya, batao, what is the word for fruit? Shivanedya, tell me. Fruit. क्या है word fruit? Unmute. Please try to on your camera.
Ma'am, my next problem, no camera.
That's why. You can say the word.
Yes.
Say.
Five.
Phal. First letter क्या है? Pha. Next letter?
La.
La. Phal. Very good. Phal. Check your answer, children, everyone. Rafan बताओ. Last one. Lotus. क्या है lotus का word? हिंदी word क्या है?
Kamal.
का. First letter is का. Next letter क्या है? Rafan. का, ma, al. Okay. Kamal. Yeah. Now check your answer. 4 out of 4. Did everybody get 4 out of 4?
Yes.
4 after 4.
Yeah, very good. 4
Ma'am, I did 4 out of 4.
Yeah, very good. Bhavan, 1, Bhavan, Hal, Kamal. Those who may any word is wrong?
Ma'am, Samanya got 4 out of 4.
Ah, very good, very good, very good.
Ma'am, Vaidyalakshmi got 4 out of 4.
Yeah, very good. Study.
Ma'am, Sia got 4 out
4
of
out
4.
of 4. Yeah. Anybody got any
4
word?
out of 4.
Ah, 3 mark. Did anybody get 3? No. Very good. No, everybody write the answer correctly. Anybody got 2, 1? No. Show me your paper, everyone. Show to this side. दिखाओ, मुझे दिखाओ सबका पेपर, वो किताब. Yeah, very good. All are studying very well. Very good. Keep it up. Yeah, everyone got full mark. What about Devananda? Show your paper. Yeah. Okay, children. Those whose camera have some problem, I can't see the mark. Very good, everyone. Keep it up. Very good. Okay. So, shall we move to the next class? Next topic.
Yes.
Yes. What is next topic? What we learn? Okay. Keep your book there. Okay. Very good, children. Everybody done. Proper. Very good. बताओ what we learn in the next topic. आ की मात्रा हमने पढ़ा. आ की मात्रा. Did we started आ की मात्रा? Yes. का के साथ आ जोड़ने से का. बताओ और. आ की चिन्ह. ओके. आ चिन्ह. ओके. हम कुछ हम आ की मात्रा, चिन्ह को हम हिंदी में क्या कहेंगे? मात्रा. ओके. दैट इज आ की मात्रा. ओके. मात्रा कहो. So we are going to study आ की मात्रा words today. Okay. Before that, did we completed this, children? Please check. 1 minute. देखो, आ की मात्रा लास्ट क्लास में हमने आ की मात्रा शुरू किया. आ की मात्रा. यू शुड राइट आ की मात्रा. राइट. आ की मात्रा.
नोटबुक.
नो, रफ बुक में लिखो. एक हमने कंप्लीट किया था ना 3 टाइम. कितने बार लिखा आप लोग आ की मात्रा? Did you write in your rough book this or आ की मात्रा?
No, ma'am.
No, then write 3 times. You can write now. 1, 2.
Write in the notebook.
No, in the rough book. Last time में rough book में लिखना है. Okay. After the class, I will send the notes that you have to copy it in the notebook. 3, 4 times you can write. आ की मात्रा. क्या है आ की मात्रा? Studied ना last class. अब का के साथ आ की मात्रा जोड़ने से क्या है? का के साथ आ की मात्रा जोड़ने से क्या बनेगा? का और आ जोड़ने से का. राइट. का प्लस आ. का के साथ आ जोड़ा तो क्या कैसे प्रोनाउंस करेंगे हम? इसका उच्चारण ऐसे करेंगे का. आ जोड़ा है इसमें. और ता के साथ आ जोड़ने से who will read? Rayan, Ramesh, can you read? ता plus आ will become. कैसे पढ़ेंगे? ता. वेरी गुड. ता. रा प्लस आ जोड़ने से रा. ओके. राइट इट दिस. आ का रा. रीड. फर्स्ट वन क्या है? आ एंड आ की मात्रा. राइट. आ की मात्रा. का प्लस आ. का. रीड एंड राइट.
का प्लस आ. का.
Read. Those who are Ahian, read. First one क्या है? आ की मात्रा. का प्लस आ. आ की मात्रा. आ की मात्रा. का. रा. Very good. Abel Saju, read. Abel, read.
का.
Ta. Next. Ra plus a. Ra. Very good. When you are writing, you should read that. Aki matra. Then 4 times you complete that. Then write ka plus a. Ka. Ta plus a. Ta. Ra plus a. Ra. Anna Princeton, read. Anna, read.
Yes, ma'am.
Read. Aki matra. Say Aki matra.
Aki matra.
Now ka plus a.
Ka ki matra.
You should say ka. का की मात्रा नहीं का. का के साथ आ. का के साथ आ जोड़ने से क्या पड़ेगा. कैसे पड़ेगा. का. का के साथ आ.
Ta. How many times right?
4 times. रा प्लस आ. रा के साथ आ पढ़ो. रा.
Yeah.
रा. ईशान कृष्णा, read ईशान.
Thank you, ma'am.
ईशान, read.
Aki matra.
का के साथ आ.
Ta plus a. Ta. Ya plus a. Ya.
Ra. Okay. Abel Sijo. Abel, read Abel.
Ma'am, which able? Able Sajoi.
Sijo. Abel Sijo.
Ka plus a. Ka. Ta plus a. Ta. Ta plus ra plus a. Ra.
Yeah, very good. Okay. Did everybody completed this? The next class always all should take that workbook. Did you get one more book? No, small book for writing workbook. Abhyas Pustika.
Yes.
Next class we will complete that also. Okay, all should take that. Fia Elizabeth is there. Fia, can you read? Fia, Fia's camera is off.
Ma'am, Samanya will read.
Samanya, you get one chance. No, wait. Let others to complete reading. Some are not reading. That's why I'm calling some students. Those who are not getting chance. Able, they were Shanton Spinto. Afrin is there. Rayan okay. Ahian, read and write when you are writing. Okay, you should read ka, ta, ra. When you will write, you should read. Okay. Abel also. Abel. Read. Completed everyone. Devadarsh, read. आ की मात्रा. का के साथ आ जोड़ने से का पढ़ो. का, ता, ra. Read. Ra. Completed till ra. Devadarsh completed till ra.
No.
Do. Diya, CS, read. Diya, read. Next.
Ta.
Ra. Completed. Arav Arun, completed this. Arav. Read Arav.
Ki matra. Nan Rosini.
Read ka. Ka.
Ka.
Ta. Read ta plus a. Ta के साथ आ जोड़ने से क्या बनेगा. ता. रा के साथ आ जोड़ने से रा. Hmm. Ashujit, read. Ashujit, read. Ashujit, read.
Ka plus
Hmm.
a
Hmm.
ka.
Hmm.
Ta plus a
Hmm.
ka.
Ta. Hmm.
Ja plus a
Ra. Tara. We will study next word is Tara. क्या है तारा? किसी को पता है तारा?
Yes.
हाँ, क्या है तारा? हाँ? Star. Okay, everybody know. Did all completed this? This one you completed?
Yes.
So, ये आप लोग कंप्लीट किया है. So next we will write. I will teach you some word today. We are going to study some words. Okay. Can you see the board?
Yes.
1 minute, children. One minute. Can you see now? Can you see? Children, can you see the board?
Yes.
1 minute. How it came here? 1 minute, children. Okay. Can you see? कौन सा चित्र है ये?
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Do you know what it's Hindi word? इसको हम हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? छतरी. You study. Okay. छतरी you study. Now we are going to write आ की मात्रा word here. Okay, देखो इसको हम छाता भी कहेंगे. छतरी आपने पढ़ा छाता. Umbrella. क्या है छाता means? Umbrella. छतरी भी कहेंगे, वो भी ठीक है. ये आ की मात्रा से हम वर्ड लिखेंगे तो कैसे पढ़ेंगे? ये छा और छा के साथ आ जोड़ा और ता और आ जोड़ने से क्या बना? छाता. क्या है? Don't write, children. I will say right that time you can write. Okay? क्या है? पढ़ो छाता. Umbrella. पढ़ो
Umbrella.
छाता. Umbrella. Okay. देखो, ये आपने देखा है कहीं? क्या है ये? इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? पढ़ो. तारा. रात को आसमान में चमकते हैं. कब देखते हैं तारे को आसमान में? रात के समय आसमान में चमकने वाला कौन है? ये तारा. कौन है? तारा. ता के साथ आ जोड़ा. ता प्लस आ और रा के साथ भी आ जोड़ने से क्या बना? तारा बना. तारा मीन्स स्टार. क्या है तारा? स्टार. हम पढ़ो तारा. स्टार. तारा. स्टार. कैसे पढ़ेंगे वर्ड? तारा. स्टार. अब ये क्या है? क्या है ये? क्या है? छाता, छाता, अम्ब्रेला। क्या है ये? छाता, छाता है, छाता। और ये क्या है? ये क्या है? ये क्या है? तारा, तारा, छाता और तारा. Okay. So today what we learned? 2 words. Chhata, तारा. Chhata or तारा. Okay. So shall we write this word? Now we complete ta plus a, ta plus a, ra plus a. Now we can add with ta plus a plus ra plus a. Tara.
On notebook we have to write.
रफ बुक में लिखो. क्लास टाइम में कौन से बुक में लिखना है? What I told, रफ बुक. ओके.
Yes.
आओ. तारा कैसे लिखेंगे देखो. 1 minute children, here some problem. 1 minute, it's open automatic. Okay. देखो ता, फर्स्ट वर्ड कैसे लिखेंगे देखो. फर्स्ट वर्ड ता प्लस आ प्लस रा प्लस आ. क्या है? तारा. तारा मीन्स क्या है? स्टार. राइट 3 टाइम नाउ. 1 2 3. नोटबुक में लिखेंगे बाद में. ओके. तारा, तारा. Write 3 times.
Notebook, right?
No notebook. Now you can write it in your rough book. Okay, which words I am sending, that you can write it in your notebook. Clear, children? Otherwise, you will not write neatly. You can write slowly, neatly in your notebook. I will ask you how to show that notebook. Okay. Now you can use your rough book. Ta ra. Are you writing? I'm sending some notes in the through WhatsApp. Are you writing in your notebook? Everyone?
Yes.
You have to copy that, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Tara, star. Read and write Tara, star. Everybody should read Tara, star. Star. Tara, star. The next word क्या है? Second word ch plus a.
Ma'am, how many times write?
3 times. You can see, no, I put the number there. 1 2 3. Cha plus a plus ता के साथ और भी आ जोड़ा तो बना छाता. छाता. छाता मीन्स क्या है? अम्ब्रेला. Umbrella. Write that chata. Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Chata means umbrella. Umbrella. पहला वर्ड है थारा, स्टार, छाता, अम्ब्रेला. छाता, अम्ब्रेला, तारा, स्टार.
Umbrella. Umbrella. Chata umbrella.
Can Krishna, can you read, Ishan? Read.
Chata.
Chata, umbrella.
Ma'am, Samanvaya finished.
Samanya, read these words.
Okay. Tara, star. Chata, umbrella.
Very good. Now we will read. Those who's completed can read.
Tara, star.
Devarsh completed.
No.
Not completed. Are you reading? Read and write Tara, star, chata, umbrella. Riyan Rafiz, read.
Sorry.
Riyan Ramesh, read. Read. Mm. Mm. Who is making that sound, please? Be quiet, children. Tara, star, chata, umbrella. Abel Saju, read Abel. Abel Saju.
Ta plus a plus ra plus r equal to Tara.
Tara.
Star.
Mm.
Ta plus a plus ta plus a equal to Shata.
Mm.
Umbrella.
Very good. Chata, umbrella. Rosam Francis, read. Rosam, read.
Ta
Mm.
plus
Mm.
ra plus equal to
Mm.
Tara.
You don't need to read equal to and all. You should read ta के साथ आ, ra और आ जोड़ने से तारा. Tara. Read the word only. Tara.
Tara.
Yeah. Next word. Cha.
Ta plus
Chata. Read that word only. No need to. When you are writing, you should write that way. Read the
umbrella.
Chata, umbrella. Prithvindev, read Prithvindev. Prithvi came in.
Umbrella.
Prithvi, read.
Tara. Chata. Umbrella.
Umbrella. Very good. Now, Ashujit, read. Ashujit. Samannaya. Samannaya is there.
Umbrella.
Mm.
Plus
Mm.
plus
Children, no need to read that plus and all. You should read Tara star. I just showing that how it's formed. Okay, ta plus ra plus a. Ta के साथ आ की मात्रा और ra के साथ आ की मात्रा जोड़ने से बना तारा. You should read Tara star. That's enough. Okay, read. Anya, read Anya. Read Anya.
Umbrella.
Read Tara. Anya, read the word only. Tara.
Umbrella.
Tata, umbrella. Dakshalakshmi, read. Read.
Tara. Chata. Umbrella.
Umbrella. Very good. Krishnaj, read. Krishnaraj. Krishnaraj, read. Krishnaraj, read. Tara. पढ़ो तारा. नेक्स्ट वर्ड क्या है? छाता. Umbrella. Okay, did everybody completed? 3 times.
Umbrella.
Completed. Yes. Okay. So today what we learned today, आकी मात्रा words हमने शुरू किया. Okay, 2 word पढ़ा. 2 words. Okay. पहला word क्या है? तारा. क्या है तारा? नेक्स्ट वर्ड क्या है? छाता. छाता मीन्स क्या है? Okay, very good children.